Sippin with Me and I.
Your destination to Black-owned spirits.
Today is day 9 of VEDA.
God, as we've been saying every single day, thank y'all so much for everyone who's been rocking with us for the past 9 days, guys. A week and 2 days, y'all been rocking with us, tuned in, tapped in every day at 8:30. I know a lot of people go live around the same time or got premieres same time. But we still say we know we're gonna be consistent. We're gonna drop a video even when we go live on Saturday, we still gonna drop our video premiere. We're gonna do it at 8:30. We maybe push our live back to 8:40, but we're gonna drop this every day at 8:30 just so we can stay consistent. Once we start making changes and alternating things, then
we get off track.
So every day at 8:30, y'all been rocking with us, and we definitely appreciate that, guys. But today is day 9. We will be making another Black-owned cocktail. So if y'all who don't know, we're participating in VEDA, where we're gonna be vlogging every day in August. And since we're vlogging every day in August, it was suggested that we vlog on this new channel, Sippin with B9, cocktails for 31 days. And so y'all go back and please watch the other 8 videos, including this, which is again the 9th video on all the cocktails we did: old fashioned, lemon drop martini,
we did
sex on the beach,
and we did
whiskey sour. We did 8 videos. All right, go back and watch them. Yeah. And so today we're gonna be making a MAI TAI. I mean, it's my goal. So I said, you know what? Let me bring some heat. And not only am I gonna bring some heat, I got some exclusive heat, because today we're making a cocktail using 10-to-1. Not just any 10-to-1. This is a 10-to-1 exclusive. Not everyone had this 10-to-1. This is a 10-to-1, which is, they have 2 kinds. They have 2 brands. Or 2 styles, I guess. I don't know. They got a white rum and a dark rum, but then they also got technically a 3rd one that was a that was a exclusive collab with Uncle Near. So 10-to-1, if y'all not familiar, is a brand owned by, or now owned by, Sierra. Y'all know CC, my goodies. So this is her brand, 10-to-1, and this is an exclusive one because this is a collab with Uncle Near's. I didn't even want to open this, but I was like, you know what? Let me bring y'all something. Bring y'all something special. So luckily, this recipe don't call for a lot of this. So we can drink this.
Use a small amount
and put this thing back up. But yeah, this is a 10-to-1 owned by Sierra. This is again a special blend, and this is a club favorite. Y'all know about MAI TAI. If y'all don't, we're gonna get into it today. So without further ado, let's get into this cocktail and let's look at the starting lineup. We have it, a MAI TAI. Again, there's many ways you can make this, so don't be in the comments like, that's not how you make it. Make it how you make yours, make it how you like it. We like what we like, we like what we like. It's just a recipe that we found, we like it, we had all the ingredients, so this is the way we choose, guys. But again, if you have a way you like to make your MAI TAI, go and put that in the comments below. And if you have a request for a cocktail that you want us to make, please put that in the comments below. Next week will be request week. We already got like 2 or 3 requests already. So we got like 2 or 3 more days available, maybe 4. I think we got 3 requests. I think we got 3.
Okay.
Right, so if you got a cocktail, I know we're making a Moscow Mule, a Blue MF, And something else someone asked us to make.
I remember. We've already made the other.
We gotta go to the comments. Someone put a third. We'll find out. But you gotta, next week is customer request week. So put in that request and we'll make that cocktail. But without further ado, let's try this.
It is.
Let's try this Mai Tai. This may be my favorite drink. This may be.
I don't think I ever had one. I don't think I ever had one.
Woo!
He decided.
Baby, that may be the one. Taste that thing, baby. You're gonna taste that thing.
It tastes like a fruit punch a little bit.
But with no fruit punch in it.
Mm-hmm.
We made our own fruit punch.
That's just. It is. It tastes
Sip
like
that thing.
I don't think I had this before. Man,
this is
I
so.
really recreate
Y'all,
this
it tastes like a fruit punch. Y'all, this rum, it gotta be the pineapple juice. I'm not sure it's the amaretto. I think the amaretto mixed with the grenadine brings it out. With the pineapple juice, y'all, this turned into a fruit punch.
Yeah, this is great.
This is so good. Let me taste that thing.
I really like this.
Yo, that is fire. I suggest.
This is a great combo right here.
Yo, you have to try the Mai Tai. It's simply dark rum, amaretto, grenadine, triple sec, and sweet and sour mix pineapple juice. So y'all seen the ingredients in the lineup. I definitely suggest y'all, Marcus, yo, definitely try this, guys. This is an amazing drink. This would be a signature in this house. I'm old fashioned. I think I about mastered that. And this right here is gonna be the second drinks. When you come to the house, these gonna be on the menu. And when we make our Sippin with Me in our book, this recipe gotta be in the book.
At the end, you know what I wanna do? I want us to do a rate our drinks. Like which ones we thought was the top, maybe five.
So we talked to your favorite couple. We said that yesterday that we're gonna do our first channel live at the end of the 31 days. So be on the lookout for our first live on Sippin with Me now.
Oh yeah.
Pretty much a recap of VEDA and the 31 drinks. Yeah, what y'all thought y'all favorite drink. We may make a live cocktail. But I'm so excited, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope y'all like this recipe.
No, we hope you love this recipe.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, that bing, so you can stay notified whenever we drop new content.
Oh, yeah.
Man, I am so blowed. This is so good,
I'm
y'all.
talking about a real, it's maybe something to sneak up on you, but it does, of course it doesn't burn.
Y'all, this is amazing.
This is the drink. This is
the one. This is that. This is that.
Okay.
All right, guys. Y'all make sure y'all also check out our website, Sippin with Me now. Tell me the website, baby. I just said it. Tell me the website.
No,
baby.
you said Sippin with Me.
Oh, check out.
So
go ahead.
If you want to purchase our merch, it is shopmeteandi.com. Again, it is shopmeteandi.com.
Yeah, this is the latest heat, guys. Meet us at the bar. You know what I'm saying? At the bar behind the GPS, your GPS to Black Home Spirits. We got the guy first. Don't forget about that. We got Dope in Real Life, Fam in Real Life. We got the Sippin with Me now cups, guys. So y'all make sure y'all please go support us and support this channel. Also follow us on Instagram, which is Sippin with Me and I. Go follow, subscribe to our main YouTube channel, Me and I. And that's it, guys. We love y'all. Thank y'all so much for rocking with us for the past 9 days again. We about to drop a channel blessing on the main channel. Go check that out. We're going live this Saturday, guys. So make sure you tap into both our channels. Show us all the love and support because we show y'all guys love and support. Let's keep this thing going. Let's keep this thing moving, guys. We love y'all. We out. See y'all tomorrow for day 10.